Alright guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to change this is a Volkswagen. This is a Volkswagen Tiguan. This 2.0 is a T, is a 2010. So guys, what I'm going to show you today, I'm going to show you guys today, guys, is the window. Somebody broke in the car. He broke the window and then just destroy all the stuff. So I'm just gonna show you guys. All this stuff is all over the place. So I have guys to replace the window. I have to replace the window. So I'm just going to show you the procedure, guys, for replacing the window today. For Volkswagen, this is a 2010. So you see all the glasses all over the place. So the best thing first to do, guys, is to do a cleanup. So I have to clean all this stuff. So guys, so also guys, something important to put in mind, you should have nice gloves, not the plastic ones. So when you're taking these guys out of the way, make sure it doesn't cut you the process. So you just take your time. If you have like a vacuum thing, you just suck them out. Alright guys, what important thing you have to pay attention is you have to, once you clean the place, make sure you use something like this. This is the one which you use for painting. It just comes handy. And then once you have all your stuff like that, make sure you dispose them in the right place. So guys, yeah, this place is clean, so it's now time to begin. Now open the door, take out the door panel, and then do the rest. So guys, in short, what we're going to do, guys, right here, you're gonna open this handle. So when you come like down here, you see there's some space right here. You see some space right here. You pry it out, this plastic panel comes out, and then we have two bolts. Then we have to take them out. Then guys, you come down here. So when you come down here, guys, there's one torx 30 right there. There's another one. There's a torx 32. Then we get these two guys out. Then we can pry this door panel out. Then from there, guys, we can access what's inside. Let's do it. Alright, so guys, what we're gonna do now is we can come here. It's recommended to use a plastic prior. You just come here to the you see where the hole is right here, and then you pry it out. When you pry out, guys, like that, this thing should be able to just come out like that, and you just pull it like that, so it should be able to just pop out. So whatever is holding it should be able to just come out like that. Should be able to be strong. Once that is done, guys, you see inside there is a torx 30, and then down here too there is a torx 30. So I'm gonna use torx 30 to get them out. Alright guys, so we go in right there, and then I bring this torx 30 right here. Then we go into this too. So guys, if you have like a magnet, you can use it to pull out the balls from there. So for me, I'll use this magnetized Phillips, flat Phillips. So this is the first part. I take that one out, and then we have the second one right here, guys. This is the second one. Is the torx 30. So I have to take this one out and put it on the side. So guys, what remains is the lower section. The lower ones which I showed you earlier is going to be right here. We're gonna use this torx 30. And then we have this one too. We have this guy right here. So this one is out. It just fell down from right here. This is the torx 30. This is one of these. The one which goes right there. One is out. I don't know why this one's not coming out. Let's go in here and This one is out. Here's a torx 32. So that's where it's been. And then there's the other one. So guys, what follows next, guys, is pry this door. So once you pry it, so what you do is you put a plastic prier just to go in, like corner like there. And once that goes in, guys, you pry it, like use a little bit of force, just like that. So guys, once your hand gets in like here, then you can pull it like that. Come down right here, and just pull it like that. You put some pressure on it, but it's just snap out. And then you just push it to come from top right here. Pull it like that. Should be able to disconnect from the top. Then you make sure you just pull gently from towards the end this way, and then it should be able to come out, guys, just like this. So once it comes out, you take out this one. These are connected to the top right here. You take this one out. It's just right here. Let me just show you. You take this guy out. It's just connected right here. Just take it from here, then you disconnect it from right here. Right here, guys, you disconnect it from right here, then you take it out. That's the first one. Second one, guys, you come down here and you disconnect this blue thing right here. Just push from inside and pull it out. That should be able to come out. Okay, let me go down here, guys, right here. Pull the same thing on the side. And then once you do that, come out. So on the door, guys, it just becomes out like that. It doesn't really have a lot of stuff, so that's how it comes out. So guys, this is what you see. I'll show that after that. So we have all this stuff connected all around with the torx. This is the torx 30. So guys, you have to remove all of them to access the back of the of this, so that we'll be able, guys, to change to fix the window. That's what we have to do. All right, guys, this thing has to come out, so we have to disconnect these guys out of the way. It just come out like that. You press on the sides. And then you just come here, you disconnect this window regulator thing. You have to disconnect from here, and then this whole guy should just be free. Then once that is done, guys, you'll be able to just take these guys out. But make sure first, before you start the whole process, make sure, guys, you bring in you lower the window. But since our window is broken, we just lower it, and then we just see it over here. And then once we see it, make sure it's visible through there. I don't know if you guys can see in there. And then the same goes to this side too. Make sure, guys, that this thing is visible through all in there. So inside, so once that's true, I'll be able to go. So let me just lower the window down. Alright, guys, once we lowered it, so what happens next? You just pull these guys out. So you just look for a flat, and then just let you pry this one out like this. So once this one's out, guys, like that, you just press up like that. It should be able to just pop out. Same thing applies to this one on top. You just press this thing, the one on top, just like that. Just pull it like forward, pull like forward like this. And then once it comes to forward, what you do is you press from the top. You just pull it like that. It should come out like that. Just come easily like that. Then the last one, you just press here, and then you just bring this thing on top like that. You bring it to front. Once you do that, this guy should just be able to come out. Those guys are free. And you disconnect from here. It's just a clip. Just pull it out like that. It just comes out from here. Once that is done, guys, you take it out from this right here. Take it out too from here. And then, guys, the same thing. You disconnect this from here. Disconnect this from here. Just let it loose. Should be able to come out. You just press the two parts like that. The guy should be able to be loose, should be able to come out, guys. So once that is done, guys, you have the thing free. So we have this one final part. So you pull this guy like this, just pull it out, and then, guys, we'll just be able to pull this one later on. So we have to disconnect this and these two. Just pull it down like that. It's a sensor. So be careful. Just pull down, and then you just pull like that. It should be able to come out. And then, guys, you should be able to pull it out from this connector right here. Alright, so I recommend you use a tool, special tool like this, so that when you just pry like that, you can just be able to just pull it out. Because once you just something comes loose. So this, guys, we have to open round, and once that is open, and be able to access this guy from the inside. To just open this torx 30 all round. Once you do all that, this thing should be able, guys, to come out. Just pull this guy like this, just give it enough space, let it just go in like that, and from there, guys. Alright, guys, so I've been doing some research a little bit about this, and I figured out when you just push like this from this side, just lift this one up like this one pops out. When it pops out from down there, guys, you just bring it down like this. Just bring this guy down like this. So once you do that, you can see from here, you can see inside there's a lot of glasses on the floor, so we need to clean that out. You need to clean that out, and at the same time, you can see there's this guys, the rail that's controlling this thing. It just goes up in there. So the same applies to this side, guys. You can see from here, because our glass is broken. Show you guys, see what I'm meaning. This thing just will slide from down here. It will slide all the way like this. Slide all the way like this, guys. Alright, guys, since I got this space, I can see here, I think it's time to just clean this stuff right here. Clean it out of the way, the debris that's remaining here. There's a ball right here, which you have to just like release it a bit to give us leverage and stuff. I'll see if I can just loosen it up. See right here, guys, you can see the ball inside. The ball right inside, guys. That's like that's an it's like E7 or E8. Let me check it out and confirm with that. The same applies to this side. We have the thing there. So, guys, what we're going to do, we're just going to release this guy a little bit to give us space, so that we can be able to take out the broken stuff right here, and also to take out, guys, the broken stuff also on this other side. And once that's set, we put it back, and once we put it back, guys, we can put the new window, and then we can tighten it from here, and then tighten it, and then we can put the rest of the stuff together. So that's gonna be like that. So let me just get an E7 or E8, and then I can open it up, and then I'll show you guys in a moment. Alright, guys, so it's an E5, it's not an E7. So this is how it looks like, guys. It's an E5. So you just take it all the way in there, put the E5 in there, and then guys, you just open it up just like that. Damn, this thing is tight. Okay, guys, you just open anti-clockwise. Just open anti-clockwise, It's like you're tightening it. So once you do that, the thing becomes loose. You do the same for this side. Just do that, and then you open anti-clockwise. It becomes loose. You get enough leverage. The leverage you need to just take these guys out. Okay, once that is done. So guys, once you take out the stuff, this thing should be able to be sparkly clean like that. Should not be any glasses in there or anything. Thing should be clean, so you just leave it like that. So when the it comes on top, you should be able to just rest on it. So I'll see if I can get something to suck out those glasses to come out from there. Because if I put it in like this, guys, this guy when he's driving, he will be hearing quack 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 quack, quack on the window, which is on the door, which is not cool at all. So let me do one or two things and see how I can help the situation. Yeah, I'll show you guys from there. Alright guys, so I found out something. Apparently, like down right here, if you look like down right here, guys, it's kind of like maybe a kind of a leak place where, like, if there's water in this place, you can use that to drain out. So there are two. There's another one over there. So guys, I'm just gonna put something down here, maybe to get maybe to trap the stuff, so that I'll be able to dispose them well. Alright guys, so I got my new window right here, so I'm just go ahead and open it up. Here, so I'm going to take it out. So guys, you just pull like this, make sure it goes in, this side like this, make sure it goes like this. So guys, you make sure it just goes in like that all the way up to there, so it doesn't go all the way, guys, because you know, down there, guys, you have the thing right there. You should be able to be in there already locked in, so we can just tighten it. So guys, once that is done, you just use you tighten this, you tie it in the opposite way. You go anti-clockwise. Once you do that, you do the same for this side. You just check for that. So it's all the way. You should be able, guys, to just put the rest of the stuff, just put them back, just only put the cover back, and then you should be good to go.